What do you want?
I don't know, let's just see.
Tough as nails. Oh.
What are you looking for?
Do they have pies?
I don't know. Oh.
They don't have something I like.
What?
They don't have food that I want.
There's a Woolies here. Might be a bit expensive. But there's a Spar just around the corner. And who's going to tell us we can't wear helmets in a Spar?
I just don't want to go into Spa.
We don't want to go to Spar.
Okay, I don't need to eat anymore. I'll just get like something else. What about a bit of beans?
We're not going to sit and eat a can of beans. Maybe we'll just get chips or something, I don't know.
No, actually I'll grab one of those because...
You'd grab one of those?
Yeah, I'll take one of those.
Oh, what are we talking about? The pie?
Yeah,
or...
the pies.
Oh. They don't have the Monster I like. Oh wait, they're in the back. Are we having Red Bull or Monster?
Red Bull.
No, that must be a joke.
It's New Year, New Me.
Are you drinking water?
Yeah.
You know that's not sparkling, right?
Yeah. It's still water.
Where's my friend?
Like I said, New Year, New Me.
Wow, didn't know it did that. What the hell's going on? Okay. Alright. That's what we're using the water for now. I thought you're gonna drink it. Okay. Yeah. I should have known. I got bamboozled.
We hit 100 subs!
I should have known.
Well,
this can be a cool thumbnail.
Yeah, it could be. Stand there and look pretty. No, you stand right next to it.
Why must I stand there?
Because you're the pretty one.
Fuck that.
Well, thanks guys for 100 subs. So we got here now what? We just keep on going.
Yeah, we keep going, man.
Okay.
Now we add another 0. You don't have any water left. We add another 0.
Next step 500.
Yeah, well, obviously, but it's easier to just add a 0 than turn that into a 5. It's going to be a very ugly 5.
Yeah, true. Dude, there's 100 people out there that subbed. Like, yeah. That's a lot of people. That's a big crowd of people.
You wasted water. I can't get over that you wasted the water.
You thought I was going to drink it. I'm not that healthy. So I feel like it goes without saying, from Red and I, thank you so much guys for 100 subs. We're at like 115 or something like that now. We're well above 100, but I felt like we needed to address it and just say thank you so much for all the people that click subscribe and decided to, you know, they want to continue watch our content. And although 100 doesn't seem like much, if you were to take 100 people and put them in a room and they're all watching you, 100 people, that's a lot of people just here to watch them two dinguses, you know, do our thing. So really, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much. Especially with like the engagement as well. A lot of you guys have been active and, you know, commenting, and we really enjoy interacting with you guys, especially in the comment section. And you know, we enjoy it. We really do. And thank you so much for commenting and being active. There's nothing worse than having the channel with no comments and it being a dead channel. So like I said, thank you so much, guys. For the new people, welcome. And I think 2021 is going to be a wild year. I think it's going to be an exciting year. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, you just! What are you doing?
That was piss close.
How did you not see us? That shit was stupid.
No, that was idiotic. She had no intention of stopping. She wasn't even looking.
My blood is boiling.
I see a bike friend. I think I saw he's on either ZX10. Ay! Look at the little girl. What's up, man?
Hello. I like the socks. The socks.
He's doing your fucking magic. I know what you're doing. I know what you're fucking doing. You're flirting. You're flirting at both the mom and the daughter. Oh, look at this. No.
What are we pointing at? Ah. What's up, buddy?
Yeah, look at that.
Dude.
Oh, but they face down. Let's go that way.
To Z1000. Ah,
I'm touching myself tonight.
Ah, that was so cool, but they're a bit weird. Useless. Relax, buddy, relax. It's not that serious, I promise. He almost fell. This guy's about to fall.